Let's see how to make a flavorful and delicious chicken biryani which is similar to a Hyderabadi biryani. Hello dear friends and welcome to Kitchen Compass. The first step is to marinate the chicken. Here I've taken 1 kilogram of chicken cut into large pieces. Into this add a little salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of curd. Marinate the chicken pieces well. The curd and lemon juice helps to soften the chicken. Set this aside for a minimum of 30 minutes. Into 1/4 cup of warm milk, add few strands of saffron and keep it aside for half an hour. Soak 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds in hot water for half an hour. Similarly, soak 3 to 4 tablespoons of cashew nuts for about half an hour. For the rice, here I've taken 700 grams of basmati rice. Wash it well till the water runs clear and soak for 15 minutes. Drain it and set it aside. I have taken 2 star anise, 10 to 12 peppercorns, a 3-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, 1 mace and 5 to 6 cloves. I'm adding the whole spices into a strainer so that it is easy to remove them once the rice is boiled. Here I am cooking the rice by boiling and straining it. Any method can be used to cook the rice. Into a large pan, add about 4 liters of water. Add the whole spices and salt to taste. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Add the soaked and drained rice. Cook the rice to 85% doneness. Rice will continue to cook as it cools down and later during the dum process. When the rice is almost 50% cooked, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This prevents the rice from sticking together. The rice is almost cooked now. Drain the rice. Into the drained rice, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and gently mix once. This gives a nice aroma as well as it helps the rice to remain soft as it cools down. To prevent the rice from being overcooked, transfer to a wide plate and leave it aside to cool down. Fried onions add a lot of flavor to the biryani. For this, thinly slice about 2 cups of onion. Heat a pan with sufficient oil to fry the onions. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Add a little salt and fry them on a medium-low flame. When the onion starts to turn brown, add about half teaspoon of sugar and continue frying on a low flame. This adds a nice flavor to the onions. Drain them from oil once they are fried. The fried onions are ready. For the chicken masala, chop 1.5 to 2 cups of onion. Also, I've taken about 5 green chillies, a 2 to 3 inch piece of ginger, and 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Coarsely grind these. Adjust the green chillies as per spiciness required. I have taken 2 cups of loosely packed mint leaves. Coarsely blend it or chop it. Puree a medium sized tomato. For the biryani garam masala, I have taken 1/4 teaspoon each of powdered cinnamon, clove, black cardamom, star anise, and a big pinch of nutmeg powder. This gives a little more than 1 teaspoon of masala. Alternatively, dry roast the whole spices and crush to a powder. Into a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil used for frying the onions can be used. Add 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or caraway seeds. Add the crushed ginger, garlic, and green chilies and saute for 1 to 2 minutes on a low flame. Add the chopped onion, salt to taste, and saute the onion for a few minutes. When the onion turns translucent, add in the mint leaves and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, and the prepared garam masala powder. Saute for a minute. Add the pureed tomato and continue sauteing. This is a medium spicy masala. Adjust the quantities of green chilies and red chili powder as needed. Once the masala is sauteed, add the marinated chicken and saute for a few minutes. Cover and cook till the chicken is cooked. It takes approximately 40 to 45 minutes depending on the size of the chicken pieces. While the chicken is cooking, into a blender, add in 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, add the soaked cashews and poppy seeds, and a little water and grind to a smooth paste. The chicken has cooked well. Add in the ground paste and saute for 1 to 2 minutes and turn off the flame. The chicken masala should be of a thick gravy. If there is more water, cook for a few minutes uncovered so that the water gets evaporated. For the layering of biryani, slightly heat a big biryani pot and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add a layer of rice. Sprinkle a little saffron milk. Add a few chopped coriander leaves and fried onions. Since I've already mixed the rice with ghee, I'm not adding extra ghee in between the layers. If you wish to, few drops of ghee can also be added. Now layer with chicken masala. Again repeat the layers. Add a layer of rice and slightly press it so that it's tightly packed. Layer the topmost layer with rice and then garnish with generous amounts of fried onions, coriander leaves and saffron milk. Cover with an aluminum foil so that the steam does not escape. Heat an iron tawa or any heavy bottom tawa and place the biryani pot over it and dum it on a low flame for about 45 minutes. The biryani is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.